So you got the milk and you got the vinegar in it.
And that's going to make buttermilk.
Yes. You gotta cut the chicken. Oh, by the way, the milk, you have some buttermilk and you put some white vinegar in it. And then you put the chicken, another chicken.
These ones I already had cut up.
Make it those ones are already cut. Make sure you cut them well. So then. And then you got your French Red Hot Original cayenne pepper.
I'm just going to pour a bunch in there.
And then you take a little stir. You got the Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning. Then put some in there. Make sure you get to about the same as much as Michelle does. You got some salt. I have a fun time editing. And you got some black peppercorn grinder.
Just pepper. Just pepper.
Just pepper. Normal pepper.
Pepper. Say it.
Pepper.
Pause it.
Yeah, spicy. It's a spicy.
We want spicy.
Yeah, spicy chicken Popeyes sandwich. So now let's go in. What is that? Anyway.
Don't put this in there. Don't put that in there.
Okay, so you got the Italian seasoning. Put that in.
I'm just putting that in because I like it.
And you put some salt on the chicken. Make sure there's good amount of salt. Then you use this to flip it. And then you gotta put more salt, right? Make sure you put the right amount of salt. And then you get some pepper. Then you gotta stir that. Make sure you mix it well. You gotta put that in there.
And then we're going to refrigerate it for 2 hours. And that's all you got to say.
Yeah.
And that's it. You can pause it.
Guys, when you're done, make sure to refrigerate it for 2 hours after you put the chicken in the sauce that you have created. Okay, so you're gonna get some corn starch
And flour.
and flour. As you can see right here, you got the flour, you got the cornstarch. And then you gotta put, what is it? You gotta put some more of that.
Cajun seasoning.
I think it's cinnamon. No, it's not. Then cayenne pepper. Can you?
Let's pause it.
And we're back. Oh, it's out of focus. Oh, there we go. Alright, so you got all that. And then you need some garlic. I knew it was garlic. Garlic powder. Grape. From grape belly. And you get some onion powder. I don't like it when it goes out of focus. There. And what's next? We got some paprika. I love the smell of paprika. I don't know why. And you got some salt. I don't know why, but and you got some black peppercorn. You don't really need to get the same brand. You just need to get some pepper.
Black pepper. It's black pepper.
Yeah, black pepper. Not regular pepper, black pepper. Yeah, it smells really good. Then you just gotta mix well. Mix it well. Mix it really well.
Alright, that's it.
Make sure you put some vinegar.
That's oil. That's oil.
Some oil, not vinegar, oil. Vegetable oil.
I don't know, maybe you're supposed to wait.
So once that's ready, you got it ready, and then you put it into the flip it, and then pat it down. Salt on it. This project is here and smells delicious, and we will have a good time. Now on to the taste testing. The taste test. It's good. That's good. Did you think it's good? Mm-hmm.